Hello YouTube, it's the Brick Adjuster here with another Lego haul. Today we have a special guest. We have Little Brickhead. Today we have a package from Lego Shop at Home. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And smash that like button, subscribe, and enjoy. So today we have a really big box today. Any guesses what this might be?
Random.
A random set. You don't think it's Star Wars?
No, random.
You don't think it's superheroes?
No.
Random. What's random? It is... Oh!
Computer.
It is a typewriter. The Lego...
Telephone.
Is it Lego Ideas? Yeah, Lego Ideas typewriter plus the McLaren. So we'll zoom this up, zoom it up and take a look at this big set. So here we have the typewriter. I like the font there. Lego Ideas number 35. And this is an old-fashioned keyboard we call a typewriter. So it's cool. I'm pretty sure these are printed pieces, not stickers, because it'd be pretty hard to get stickers. And they have a nice ribbon there. Let's see the back. The back, you can see someone typing. And we also get a letter, so it's cool. And yeah, it's a really nice set. We'll build this guy, keep it, display it. And for spending a certain amount, I can't remember how much, we get the McLaren polybag, little mini build, car, speed champions. So that's very nice as well. So this concludes another Lego haul for today. This is the Brick Adjuster with
Little Brickhead.
signing off. Thanks for watching and we will see you guys in another video. Bye.